తగ్గిన మార్కెట్ వాటాను పెంచుకునేందుకు నోకియా శరవేగంగా అడుగులు వేస్తోంది. అతి తక్కువ ధరకే స్మార్ట్ ఫోన్లు అందిస్తోంది. నోకియా ఆశా 305, ఆశా 311 మొబైల్ ఫోన్లను రాష్ట్ర మార్కెట్లో ప్రవేశపెట్టింది.
రూపాయలకు నోకియా ఆశా 305, 7,000 రూపాయలకు నోకియా ఆశా 311 మోడల్స్ నోకియా మార్కెట్లో విడుదల చేసింది. లైఫ్ ఈజ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ చిత్ర యూనిట్ ఆవిష్కరణ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొన్నారు. డ్యూయల్ సిమ్, వేగంగా ఇంటర్నెట్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవడంతో పాటు 45 లక్షల పాటు అందించే పలు ఫీచర్స్ ఈ హ్యాండ్సెట్స్ అందిస్తున్నాయి.
Okay, this is the latest product portfolio from the Asha stable. 305 and 309 are the latest winners from Nokia Asha. 305 మనం లాంచ్ చేసి ఒక 2 వారాలు అయిందండి. It's doing exceedingly well. In fact, it's got a 2 megapixel camera and it's got a full touch portfolio, resistive touch, which is really one of the best things which Nokia would offer at the moment. And 4,999 at the price అండి. It is a runaway success and we don't have stocks to sell. And ఈ రోజు మనం కొత్త product launch చేస్తున్నాము. That is Nokia 311. That's 3.2 megapixel camera with a capacitive touch, and it has got internet access and it's got music's download and everything around. And if you look at it, we have about 45 lakh songs on the Nokia music side, and you can download songs in less than a minute. The beauty of this is basically, in terms of the 311 portfolio, is access to games. In fact, we give free games as part of it, is EA games, and we have a very, very economical price of 6,999. Any consumer would like to use this, and that too, this comes with a Wi-Fi facility. And this is the best of the Nokia Asha smartphones I have personally used. In fact, I'm a very high end of user, but this is a phone is very, very good. It's very sleek, and it has been a very, very novelty factor from Nokia to launch this phone at a very, very economical price, and I'm quite sure this will be a runaway success. Smartphone, normally we don't make any announcement of our portfolio, but as I said, we have been talking to each other for quite some time. We will be very much connected to the consumer in the next billion. We will satisfy the needs of the consumer. ఏమేం ప్రోడక్ట్ అవసరమో దాన్ని మనం లాంచ్ చేస్తాం. We'll do a lot of studies from time to time in terms of what the consumer wants. Consumer, as what I said, these are the products which have emerged out of real success rates, such as internet usage. They wanted to check, they wanted to use as to how fast you can download and how fast you can access services like internet and navigation. All these are resultant of studies which have gotten to get this thing going.
ఇంటికి కావాల్సిన ఉత్పత్తులను అందించే హోమ్ టౌన్ మానో యామానో పేరుతో స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ వేడుకలను పురస్కరించుకుని